Hi, I'm John with WTI. Now this is L-carnitine, and this is something that I take every single day to help me with my progress in the gym. And my wife also takes one of these every single day. She likes it because L-carnitine has been known to help with brain function, so that's one reason why she takes it. I take it because it is an amino acid that your body produces. Sometimes you can be deficient in it, and I just want to make sure that I'm getting all the amino acids that I need, and you use a lot of those amino acids to build muscle. This is by DoubleWood. It's not too big of a pill to swallow. I really find that by taking this and other supplements, it really just helps me with a little bit more energy in the gym. L-carnitine has also been known to help with heart function, with kidney function. It's just an amino acid that is needed in the body, and I want to make sure that I'm getting all that I need. So far, this DoubleWood brand has really worked well, and I enjoy taking it every single day. Again, I'm John with WTI, and that's my point of view.